Before buying a Blemish Blackhead removal tool, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit. The JPNK Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Acne Removal Kit. At just $6.99, this kit caught my attention with its professional-looking stainless steel tools. If you want a clean, smooth face without redness or scars, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes multiple tools specifically designed for blackhead and acne removal. The rust-resistant stainless steel ensures durability, while the anti-slip handles give you better control during use. Plus, it comes in a compact leather case, making it easy to store or carry around. With over 10,000 sold in just the past month, it seems a lot of people trust this kit. Now, some people complained about needing to learn how to use these tools effectively. Here's the thing though, while it's true that proper technique is essential, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the precision it offers. So if you're willing to invest a bit of time, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your skincare routine and want tools that deliver results. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix without any effort. Now, if the learning curve with the JPNK kit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Uwoast Blackhead Remover Kit. The Uwoast 5 PCS Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Kit, priced at just $5.39. The sleek black design and dermatologist-grade stainless steel really caught my eye. If you want a reliable kit to tackle blemishes, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out about this kit is the dual head design on each tool. This means you get 2 different extraction methods in one, making it easier to handle different types of blemishes. The anti-slip handles help you maintain control, which is crucial for avoiding any skin damage. Plus, it comes with a handy instruction guide, so you won't be left guessing how to use it. With over 9,000 sold recently, it's clear that many people are finding success with this kit. Now, some users pointed out that the tools can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while they may not have the heft of more expensive tools, they perform really well for everyday use, especially at this price point. If you're looking for something that delivers without breaking the bank, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're new to skincare tools and need something user-friendly. Skip this one if you prefer more heavy-duty tools for stubborn blemishes. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for targeted extraction.
Product number 3, Teeniter 2-in-1 Pimple Extractor. The Teeniter Pimple Extractor. What really caught my attention is its dual functionality, which makes it perfect for anyone on a budget. If you want a simple tool to effectively remove blackheads, this one's worth a look. The Teeniter's surgical-grade stainless steel ensures it won't rust, which is a big plus for hygiene. It features a sharp needle point for opening pores and 3 different loops for extracting various sizes of blemishes. This means you have the versatility needed to tackle different types of acne. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take along wherever you go. With over 5,000 sold recently, it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some users have mentioned that the sharp needle can be intimidating. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and use it carefully, it can effectively help you clear your skin without causing damage. Just remember, patience is key. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward and effective tool for occasional blemish removal. Skip this one if you're not comfortable using needles on your skin. Now, if you're looking for something that's more disposable, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, HFYYHT Disposable Lancets. The HFYYHT Disposable Lancets, priced at $5.99 for a pack of 100. If you want convenience and hygiene, this option caught my attention right away. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain clear skin, this could be a game changer. These sterile lancets are perfect for quick blemish removal without the need for complicated tools. The design helps you get professional level results from the comfort of your home. Since they're disposable, you don't have to worry about cleaning them afterward, making them super convenient for busy lifestyles. With 5,000 units sold recently, it seems like many are opting for this hassle-free solution. Now, some people have pointed out that they can be a bit too sharp for some users. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use them for mature blemishes only, they can be highly effective without complications. Just don't rush the process and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward and easy-to-use solution for blemishes. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional toolkit for extraction. Alright, that was a convenient option, but if you're after something with a bit more versatility, you'll want to hear about this next tool.
Product number 5, Vibeaker 3rd Generation Kit. We have the Vibeaker 3rd Generation Blackhead Remover, priced at only $4.19. This kit really stood out with its ergonomic design and multiple functional ends. If you want a comprehensive solution for blemish removal, this is worth your attention. This kit features 4 ends that cater to various extraction needs, from pinpointing blemishes to larger areas. The surgical-grade stainless steel ensures durability and safety on all skin types. Plus, the anti-slip handle design gives you better control during use. This kit has been bought over 4,000 times recently, showing that many trust its effectiveness. Now, some users mentioned it can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing. If you're someone who appreciates having multiple tools at hand, the versatility outweighs the slight bulkiness. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive solution. This is perfect for you if you're serious about skincare and want tools that provide a range of options. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact without extra features.
So, to wrap things up, we've covered the JPNK kit for precision, the UWIOST for ease of use, the T-knitter for simplicity, the HFYYHWT for convenience, and the Vibeaker for versatility. Each of these has its strengths, so choose the one that best fits your skincare routine.